See, we found this little baby bird outside.
Yeah, you have to be quiet.
Listen to it.
You have to be quiet or else it will.
Yep, you gotta. Oh my God, isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my God, babe. That's so cute. Oh,
glad you found him off the road.
I'm so glad I didn't. I almost stepped on him. I almost did. I didn't notice what it was at first. It was like, whoa.
We got
It was kind of like a worm. Yeah, someone's coming here to put him back.
Mommy, cover him back up.
Oh.
Listen, listen.
Cover him back up.
He's hungry.
I know. I could probably find it a worm.
Cover back up.
Pretty quick, actually.
He's hungry.
Yeah, we're keeping him warm in a real bird nest one we found years ago. Oh my God, babe, look how cute.
He's super cute. Big
Oh
mouth.
my God.
You got such big mouths.
They do too, don't they? His eyes aren't even open yet, so obviously, and look at its tail. I was shocked that it's like, I've never seen a bird like this before.
It's a baby, just came out.
It's a finch is what someone said. I don't know if that's true, but.
Who knows?
Hey, little guy. We're gonna bring you back to your mama. Okay?
Go back to mama.
I'll go see if I can find you a worm, okay? Oh my God, Annabelle. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? Hi. Look at his little mouth. Oh my God. That is so cute.
He got such a big mouth. Such a big.
They
his
do
mouth's
too.
the size of his head.
I know, right? Look how wide.
That's so they can eat.
Yeah, they open their, when they do open their mouth. Oh my God, little guy, you must be tired. We'll have to videotape them putting them back. Huh.
Yeah.
You want me to see if I can find you a worm, little one?
See
how much they move? We'll go outside. I bet you I can find one pretty quick.
Now, we found little food.
We found a worm. 2 worms for the birdie.
We're gonna go back inside.
And I'm going to grab probably a fork and mush it.
Don't worry, we have something for you.
Yeah, we do. Now we just gotta get the worm.
He's getting all active.
Should I rinse them off, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 2 little pieces. I didn't get the whole worm. I got like little guys, so I should rinse them off, you think?
Yeah, you don't want to. It's so.
Don't have to eat yours.
Well, I don't know. The mom, like.
She's sitting right there waiting for you, and you don't want to miss anything like that.
Did you make
And also,
that
we're almost at 2 million subscribers,
I didn't kill
which is
him.
absolutely insane. So you could be the 2 million. And that's...
I gotta get something more than that. That ain't working. Oh, that guy must be here. Well, let's see if I.
First, we have
Watch
to
your
feed it.
No shit. But sorry, Wormy. I'm about to. Sorry. My God, please don't let me come back a worm. How do they do that?
Mother choose it.
I guess.
Somebody's
There
here.
we go. So much harder than that. Max, go. Wait. Oh, I'll be right out. Okay, awesome. I'll be right there. Annabelle, what are you doing, Annabelle? Well, I'll be right there. I just want to put Max up.
Did you feed the food? Did you mix it up?
Give it to him, see if he'll eat. You recording it? Yep. All right. Try it again. He smelt it. Come on, little one. No, he don't want anything to do with it. There we go.
No!
Oh my God.
James
James doesn't want to pick that up again. I doubt it. Hurry up.
He needs someone to feed it to.
Come here, little one.
Oh, I keep dropping it.
Because they're tiny. That's why we need the mama. All right, come videotape him putting it back. That guy's here to put him back.
Oh, there's worms all over the baby now.
Yeah. He don't want anything to do with it. Don't hurt him.
I was trying to get that worm off of him. Okay.
Oh,